All right, we're going to do the solution to number 25 in the January 2020 regions. Okay, so they're telling us that this expression is equivalent to this one. They want us to justify our answer. So I'm going to do all my necessary operations on this side over here. I'm going to bring everything together, and I'm going to show that when I perform all my operations, I get this answer, p to the 18th n to the 6th square root of p. All right, so I'm going to work on this guy first. All right, so this is the square root of p to the 5th. Okay, so p to the 5th is really 5 p's. So that radical is not in simplest radical form because technically I can take out 2 groups of p giving me p squared. And there's a p left on the inside. Okay, and then the n to the 4th is really 4 n's. Oops, too many. And I have 2 groups of n's that escape. All right. All right, so now I also have another operation going on here. I have an exponent working on 2 terms. When I have a power and a power, I multiply. So I have p to the 8 times 2, which is 16, and n to the 8 times 1/2, which is 4. Okay, now these 2 expressions are being multiplied together, so that means that these 2 expressions are being multiplied together. Now, when I multiply, I add my exponents. So p to the 16th and p squared gives me p to the 18th. And n to the 4th times n squared gives me n to the 6th. I add the exponents. And then this lonely radical just chills at the end. And if you notice, that's exactly what they wanted the expression to be equivalent to.